So we're doing number 2 on page 37. So the first thing we want to do is, let's say we clear everything. Second, quit. Let's say you don't see any of this stuff. So you hit data, and you see a table like this. And you're going to enter this data in the tables. Now, we're going to count 2006 as year 0, 2007 as year 1, and 2008 as year 2. So you have to be careful. Some of these problems, they're not like exactly going one after the other. So if 1992 was year 0, 1994 is year 2. So just be careful with that. So for this, we're going to go, we got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 0, we just hit enter, 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, and 4. Now if you notice we have this other line here, we're going to delete that, and there's nothing below, so we're good there. Then across, on the second column, I just cursored right, so we're going to enter those other data, 7.25, and audience in 3216 should be entering these as well. That means the people here in person. So 7.25, enter, and, wait, sorry, 8.25, enter. We got another 7.25, enter, 3.25 and 3.25, 3.25 and 3.25. And again, we got another data there. We just delete to get rid of that. And you could see you should have the same number of like in line 1 as line 2, or column 1 as column 2. So then you hit, so that was the data button to get to that table. If you hit second data, that's the statistics. So if you cursor down or hit number 2, we want 2 variable statistics. This is to get a line of regression or a line of best fit that most approximates that data. So we hit enter a couple more times, and it's going to calculate. To me, it's easiest just to go up to get, there's a bunch of statistics there. We're going to want that R in a minute. But what we want right now is these 2 data, negative 1.3 and 8.45. So that's our equation right there. So our equation is y equals negative 1.3x, that's your slope or rate of change, plus 8.45, plus 8.45. That is our equation. That is a proper equation that we could then graph. The other thing that it asks for is this R right here, which is the coefficient, the correlation coefficient. So it's negative 0.853. R equals negative 0.853. That's basically how close the data approximates the reality.